Welcome to the future of modern smart fans, designed to make life simpler all year round. All our fans are wet rated and made from highly durable materials, so you can turn them on wherever or whenever you want, indoors and out. Nearly every fan has an LED luminaire dimmable to 1% or better. These lights are outstanding in their own right, but packed inside a modern Forms smart fan? That's just unfair. A radio frequency RF wall unit comes with every fan for instant everyday control. And you can operate your fan with the exclusive Modern Forms app, which connects over Wi-Fi. That means you can control your fan whether you're at home or halfway around the world. Like using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant at home? You can control the Modern Forms smart fan with voice commands to most enabled devices. How about a smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee? The smart fan can sync up with your HVAC unit to save energy in summer and winter. Inside every smart fan is a 6-speed DC motor, which runs 70% more efficient than AC. And it's much, much quieter. The only sound you'll hear is the air whispering through the room. All the finishes have an elevated look and feel, and are highly weather resistant, whether it's distressed koa, carbon fiber, or an automotive silver as sleek as a Maserati. Modern Forms smart fans revolve around you, your tastes, your schedule, your life. Make things simpler with Modern Forms smart fans.